There you go. Alright guys, so we're actually waiting for the coilovers. They just came in, so let's go get them. Yeah? Oh, let's go, man. Hey, you what?
I have a signature for this one.
For sure.
What is that?
Now we're recording.
Alright guys, so we're gonna open it up right now, right here, live in this video. After like a week. Oh fuck. Oh, spit it, hold up. I think we got ourselves a nice Honda.
Oh shoot!
Oh, doctor.
You see that? What does it say though?
Guys.
How can we help?
Oh, you already know
Oh,
we were function
boy.
and form.
Fucking
Oh, measuring tape and everything, bro. Oh, doctor. That's right, we're slamming the MIATA.
Whoa, boy!
Boy.
Damn, they look hella though right there, man.
That's right, we got the function and form type ones. I don't know, we're gonna try to go the lowest I can with my stock wheels. Let me see. We got a measuring tape, because you know we gotta measure everything right. And I'm not gonna show you guys how to do it, because there's fucking a lot of videos on YouTube how to do it. So I'm just gonna show you guys the aftermath of how it looks. So yeah. Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Jeff. It's been about like 2 weeks since I recorded that video where I received my coilovers. Long story short, it was a fucking bitch to install them. So on the front of the car, I had to cut the actual like struts and the springs. It was a mess because I didn't want to disconnect the control arm. I don't even know what I'm thinking right now. The control arm, or the upper control arm, is that what it is? The one on the top. So I didn't want to disconnect that, so I just decided to just cut through with a disc. What is it, like a disc saw? Is that what it's called? I don't know what it's called. But the machine that has a little disc, I just grabbed that, cut it through. And for the backs, it wasn't that bad. I actually still have them right here. The back was just normal. Yeah, back was easy. Although I'm gonna tell you guys, if you get function and form, prepare guys, because it's gonna fucking rub on your axle straight up. So what I did, I had to adjust the preload. I had to adjust the preload because it was rubbing with the axle, so I had to like make it a little bit more tighter, which I mean it's fine, it still rides pretty good. But yeah, let me show you guys what it looks like. All right, boys, you guys ready? You guys ready to see this shit? Dun dun dun. Boy, we slammed in this bitch. So yeah, guys, that's how it's sitting right now. Fuck, the lighting's kind of bad. So that's how it's sitting right now. You guys can see how it's tucking, real nice, extra nice on the back. I don't rub at all, but yeah, this is pretty good. Look at this, guys. I'm hella tucking on the back. Look at this, hella slammed. I am gonna go maybe lower on the front once I get my wheels and tires. The only reason why I don't go lower is because I got those meaty ass tires. You guys see? So I got really meaty tires, so I can't go that low. But once I get my wheels, I'll readjust and make it more low. But let me explain to you guys what's going on the rear with the whole like with the whole coilovers. So let me show you guys. So as you guys can see, those are top hats, extended top hats. As you guys can see, normal ones, they just go like to right there, like regular, like they just go flush, but these I actually go up. And so that's what they're called, extended, but they're only on the rear. On the front they're normal. But yeah, so I really recommend getting those function and form type ones, because I mean they're not that bad. They're like 500 600 bucks. Remember how much I paid, but somewhere around there. This set was a little bit more complicated just because the fuel line thingy going through, but I managed to go through here. And then for the one in the back, I just went through up here. Just need to get some extensions. But yeah, guys, I mean that's how it's sitting. Really excited about it. Let's give it a quick wash just a couple seconds ago, because I know you guys ain't trying to see it all dirty. But yeah, guys, if you like this car, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe. Comment down below if you think I should go lower. Yeah, just let me know what you think. I'm already thinking of painting the car a different color as well. So yeah, he's gotta get, you know, more parts. And yeah, so my next thing is gonna be just get some wheels probably, or maybe paint. I'm not sure, one of them two. But for sure I want a roll bar right now because I don't feel safe driving it. And yeah, so I need a roll bar as soon as possible. That's gonna be my first thing I'm gonna do as of right now, because you know it's risking my life. So yeah, I'm just gonna get a roll bar and then we'll go from there, guys. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.